Now I'll go over some maintenance things. One error that you'll get eventually is one that'll appear here about the lubrication pump. And that can be found down here, right there. So it'll tell you when this is too low, or you can periodically check it yourself. You'll see here there's a minimum level line and there's a max level line. And it'll be pushing up this plunger. It's actually getting kind of low. I'm gonna put some more in it after recording this, but that's what you want to have above the minimum. And you want to use your grease gun and attach it to that fitting right there. Something you'll want to do more often so we're in this area. All of these fittings right up here, all 6 of them, they're supposed to get 2 pumps of grease weekly. And you can use this grease gun right here. And you're going to want to use this type of grease. We've got some other various cleaning materials here that you can use to clean off your spindles. Your spindles are, of course, these things. What actually holds your tools. You want to keep sawdust off of the thing as much as possible. There's some nooks and crannies that are hard to get to, but you want to vacuum everything. Do not blow it around with compressed air, because that'll blow things into sensitive parts. If you want to get into the machine and clean some of the internal stuff, what you must do is turn this key to the right. And that alone brings up 3 alarms. That basically locks the machine from actually doing anything so that it's safe. And it unlocks these doors. So you wouldn't be able to normally open this, but since I turned that key, you can. You can open it and go right in. And you can vacuum out the dust and just get in on some of the parts internal and do some cleaning in there. Turning that key also unlocks this door back here. And I've already done some cleaning in here today, but this can fill up with dust pretty dang quick. While we're in here, we'll get a closer look at the head. This is head 3. And this is generally what's going to be picking up your router bits. We've also got this head here, which has your boring bits. This is your line of 3mm drills right here. I recently had to change one of those. So I'm going to climb in. So you can see these up here. If you need to replace any of these, you simply need an Allen key. It will go up into that black fitting on any of these spindles that hold the boring bits. And it's a lot simpler than you'd think. To do that. General run-by-run maintenance that you want to do. I recently cut some parts, so you can see there's sawdust on the table. You want to use this vacuum to get that as clean as possible before you lay a new piece of wood on there, because if there's any sawdust on the bottom of the piece or on the spoil board, that's gonna let the piece roll around despite being sucked down by the vacuum. And as soon as your piece moves on you, your whole cut is ruined. So you want to keep that clean. You want to clean it off every time.